Hello, thank you for joining me in another salon work video. All right. I don't even know where to begin with this video. There's like so much that's going to happen, so much I have to say. First, let me start off with the products that I'm using. I am using the Mazzani, I think it's like the 24 something situation. I don't know. It's a Mazzani leave-in, and then the foam that I'm using is by Design Essentials. Okay, got that out the way. Now, let's talk about what I am doing and why I say so much about to happen in this video. Well, more so why I have so much I have to say about this hairstyle. I have never done comb coils before a day in my life. I've always done finger coils, but on my own head. I've done them maybe like twice, too time consuming, and I've never done them. Now, yes, I have locks. They are comb coils, but my aunt did them. My aunt did them, so I didn't have to, like, yeah, my aunt did them. But anyways, so my god sister Jessica, she let me experiment, yes, experiment in her hair. I'm like, yo, I want to try something new. I need a hair model. Like, you game for any style? She's like, time and place, I'm there. I'm like, bet. Like, seriously, that's how the conversation went. So in doing my research on comb coils and even finger coils, I've seen several different videos, several different techniques. Everyone's hair is different. Products, you won't always use the same products because textures are different. The need for their hair is different. Okay. You can see Jessica has coarse hair, and also she's growing it out from a cut. So that's another reason why her hair is the way that it is. Now, would I use the tapering comb? I don't think so. I don't think the tapering comb really would have made a difference for me. One thing I would have done differently, product wise, I'm okay with the products, right? I'm not tripping over the products. Probably would have used the designing. I mixed design essentials and Mazzani together. The design essentials, they have a leave-in. I can't think of the name of it off the top of my head, but not the bamboo silk leave-in. They have like an actual like a cream leave-in in the bottle that you put in your hands, like a lotion type consistency. I would have used that instead of the Mazzani. And things I would have done differently now that I know, because after doing this, and since I do a lot of locks now, and recently I've been retwisting with the comb, which is a whole lot different. Believe me, it's a whole lot different from when I did her comb coils. Now I know I should have gotten a little closer to the root than I was. As you can see, like, I wasn't that close to her root. I was maybe about like a quarter way down from her hair shaft, and then I was twisting. So to get like that tightness, you want to be as close to the root as possible. But anyways, you want to be as close to the root as possible. And I don't know if you can see two of her coils. They are going two different directions. But that was only because I was still trying to figure out which way is the best way for me to twist. All right. They are dry. I forgot how long she set up underneath the dryer. Now I'm just taking them apart. I sprayed them with like that shine. It's like a very lightweight um if you want to call it an oil, it's almost like a sheen, like an oil sheen. I mean, it's a shine. And I'm just taking them apart where they naturally split at, and I'm winding them around my feet, well, twirling them, I'm sorry, around my fingers to give them its curl back. Okay, so let me just say this. It's not that okay. Let's start here. So this part of her hair, she gets like coarser, all right, and it's more dense at the top part of her head. So I should have did those in smaller sections, and that's when the technique that I know now to be closer to the root really would have came in handy, because she wouldn't have been as puffy at her root as she was when I took them down. So right now, what you see me doing is I'm going in with my orange. with my orange and red hair paint wax, which you can get on my website, Naturally Graced. What's my website? Oh, www.naturallygracedllc.com. I have red, orange, blue, purple, and gold. But like I said, red and orange she wanted to do. It was like fall time when we did this video, so you know we got to stick with the fall theme. Yeah, so just added the wax to like a few of her strands, just to give it, you know, pops of color, because you can see she has no color in her hair. And one thing about this hair paint wax is temporary and it's not a chemical, and it's not damaging. So if she was tired of it, like she can just easily wash her hair out and it will come completely out. Okay, so now what you see me doing, I am going in with the pick. I am lifting up her roots to give her that volume. Y'all, you know what? I don't know. Again, I don't know where I went wrong at. Like, I'm so serious. It's not completely horrible, but it's not for me. Like, it's not my best work. You know, um, it's not my best work, and it really bothered me. But I'm learning, and I know I'm going to make mistakes. I know every hairstyle I do is not going to be perfect, and everything is going to be a learning curve, and that's okay. Like, I'm okay with that. But as a perfectionist, I am not okay with that, like, at all. But pray my strength in the Lord, y'all. We'll get there. Okay, so now just laying down her um edges and like the front of her hair so she can like, so it can lay the way how she normally wears it. One thing I always tell my clients when I do their hair, I'm like, I want you to play with, like, adjust your hair to how you normally wear it, and then we can go from there and we can fix it and, you know, do whatever it is we need to do, so that way, like, when you leave, it's how you want it and not how Marissa wants it. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole video. Right now, we're just, you know, playing around with it, trying to get it to her liking. Looking back on it, I probably should have like did a better job with laying down her back. Y'all saw me brush it, but we weren't cutting it because, like I said, she's growing it out from a taper cut. I could have done a better job with that back part. It's all trial and error, honestly, trial and error. But I appreciate you guys for sticking around, watching the video of these comb coils. And actually, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you her locks, because shortly after we did the comb coils, she's been going back and forth about if she wanted locks, how she wants to go about doing that. And she went here was like, you know what, let's just start the locks. So I will be adding her pictures and videos of her locks. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, one more thing. I want to leave you all with this note. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, y'all.